Hi, my name is Maria Munoz, and today I will be presenting my philosophy of success Google Sites. In my homepage, I have an image of myself and a quote that reads, "All of your dreams can come true if you just have the courage to pursue them." My definition of success is reaching a stage in your life where you just feel completely content and happy with the results of your hard work. I think that one of the things that's interfering with my success is just being afraid of failure, being afraid that I'm going to let the people that believe in me and that I love the most down. I also added an image that reads, "Live with no regrets," and I feel that that's what life is all about. If you make a mistake, you just learn from it, you accept it, and you make sure it doesn't happen again, and then you move on. For my struggles and solution, my first struggle is time management. And my solution is just to be better organized with my time by using a planner or a Google Calendar. For my second struggle is stress management. And the solution that I can use for this struggle is just to do my best at what I can do and then accept what I can't do. And take a meditation class or start exercising just to find an outlet for my stress. My third struggle is money management. And the solution for money management is just to keep a better track of all my spending. Set aside money for my bills, food and gas, and also cook more at home. For my assessments tab, my multiple intelligence inventory, my results shock me. Since my major is computer science, I love fixing things, breaking things apart, and putting them back together. I was really doubting my major just because I hate math. But based on this assessment, I am suited for a career in computer science, which made me really happy. My second assessment is my thinking about your learning styles. And my strongest dominant intelligence is logical mathematical. And one of my strengths is my natural ability to understand logical reasoning and problem solving. And I think that knowing this will make me a better student, inside and out of class. For my third assessment is my study skill assessment. And I realize that in this area, I need a lot of improvement. I realize that I don't prepare good for exams. I don't do study quizzes at home. I don't review the answers that I get wrong on an exam just so I can learn the material. And I don't ask my professor any questions. So I think that my solution for this assessment would be to ask questions before an exam, prepare better, study better by doing practice tests, and just study. For my motivation is my family, especially my daughters. They make me want to provide a better life for them. They give me the strive and hunger for a better tomorrow. Also my wife, for being my biggest supporter and motivator, for always pushing me to keep on going, regardless on how difficult it gets. I have reached the end of my presentation. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope that you keep on going. It doesn't matter how long it'll take us to finish our goal, but as long as we just keep on going one day at a time, I know we'll reach it. Good luck to everyone, and I really hope you guys all had a good semester. Good luck.